Morning class. Hope you are fine. So today we will discuss a very important topic of grammar, that is the transitional devices. Transitional Another name of transitional device is connectors also. As the name indicates transitional devices, so it means that these are the devices which perform some very important function. And what important function it performs? It is used to connect the words, phrases, sentences or paragraph. So let us discuss the definition of the transitional device. Transitional devices are the words or phrases that help carry a thought from one sentence to another or from one paragraph to another. Over here in the definition we have mentioned that transitional devices can be words, mean single words as because, if, since, and it can also phrases also. As you know, earlier we have discussed in a class also, phrase is actually the group of words, means more than one word. So transitional devices can be word, for example soon, that is also a transitional device, and can as soon as is a phrase also, and it is a transitional device also, which is used to connect the words, sentences or paragraph. Okay, now let us discuss the different types of the transitional devices. Mostly transitional devices are actually the conjunctions. And remember there are three most important kind of conjunctions, that is coordinate conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. And adverbial conjunctions are also included in transitional devices. First of all, let us discuss the coordinate conjunctions. There are 7 conjunctions which are included in coordinate conjunctions, and the key word to remember the coordinate conjunction is when boys. F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet and S stands for so. So these 7 coordinate conjunctions are the transitional devices also. And remember, these coordinate conjunctions are used to make the compound sentences. Compound sentences are two independent clauses which are joined by the coordinate conjunctions. Now, subordinate conjunctions. Conjunctions such as because, while, although, if, before. These are actually the subordinate conjunctions which act as our transitional devices. So these, remember, the subordinate conjunctions are also used to make the complex sentences, and complex sentences are those sentences in which one is the independent clause and one is the dependent clause. The third type of transitional device is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions means over here transitional devices are used in pairs, for example either or, neither or not. Then we have the adverbial conjunctions. Adverbial conjunctions are actually, not all the adverbs are conjunctions, or not all the adverbs are acting as a transitional devices. There are certain adverbs which act as a transitional devices. For example, before, after, firstly, secondly. So these are the transitional devices. Now there is a list of certain transitional devices with the usage. For example, when we want to add the sentence, paragraph or the words, we use the words such as besides, and, in addition, also, as well as, and furthermore. For example, our class teacher teaches maths besides English. Over here, the class teacher is teaching two subjects, maths and English. So that is the addition. Second, there are certain words such as whereas, yet, compared to, however, meanwhile, but, although, on the other hand, are used to compare or contrast the sentences, paragraphs, or the words. And that then come up with the next usage of the transitional devices, that is introduce a conclusion or result. And the words used over here is to sum up, in conclusion, all in all. Remember, And certain times you have just heard someone is giving the speech, and at the end he or she says, to sum up, in conclusion. These words give us an idea that now the person is concluding. And when we sometimes read an essay on that also, in the last paragraph we just add this word, to sum up, in conclusion, all in all. So this give an idea to the listener or to the reader that this is the conclusion the writer is giving to us. There are certain transitional devices which shows how actions or events are related. So these transitional devices are before, after, when, until, and as. So that is actually tells you the sequence of events also. For example, I will clean my room after doing my homework. So that is giving you how actions are just sequence are just related. Then we have the conditions. When we are just showing the condition or telling the conditions, we will use certain transitional devices such as if, unless, provided that. Over here, let me tell you one most important thing is that unless is used when the first statement is negative. For example, you will not pass the exams unless you work hard. If is also used in a condition but in a positive way. For example, if you work hard, you will pass the exam. So, certain words because, furthermore, indeed, to, in case, for, and since are used to prove. For example, I have been studying over here since 2018. So, that is a proof that you are just reading or studying over here how long. Then the words such as firstly, lastly, and secondly are used to give the introduction of the items or sequence. For example, events, what you did first or what you will do first. So that is just the sequence of event. And in the last, transitional devices are also used to introduce illustrations. For example, such as namely, named. Certain times in the grammar we have just studied earlier also, when we used to do something in a class, some definition, and after writing the definition, for example, definitions of the noun is the name of any person, place, or thing. After that, usually we write the words such as, or for example, then we give the examples. So for the noun, examples can be boy, Ali. So these are just the explanation or the examples of the points. Now let me explain you the correlative conjunctions, which is actually the type of transitional devices. As I told you earlier, that correlative means the conjunctions which are used in pairs. And when we are using in a pair, we have the words in between them. Suppose either and or, if we use it, we have the words in between them. For example, either Ali or Amna will clean the room. Over here, two words are coming in between the correlative conjunctions. Either Amna or Ali will clean the room. So either and or over here are the correlative conjunctions. Neither and nor is a correlative conjunction. Both and is a correlative conjunction. So that and such that is also the correlative conjunction. So we use neither or when we want to introduce two alternatives. For example, you can either come with us or stay at home. Neither or nor is used for the negative form of either and or. Neither Peter nor Jane saw what happened. And so that and such that is actually words correlative conjunctions that talk about sequence or result. For example, she spoke so quietly that few people listened her. So today to sum up again, I am just telling you that we have just today discussed the transitional devices, types of transitional devices, and certain example of transitional devices with the usage. That's all. I hope everything is clear to you.